Let's be honest, buying a vehicle these days is tough. Prices are sky high, reliability feels like a gamble, and newer models, packed with complicated tech that breaks before the warranty's even up. But what if I told you that for under $10,000, you could still get a vehicle tough enough to last you another 20 years without drowning you in repair bills? In this video, we're looking at 5 Toyota SUVs that have stood the test of time. These aren't just good used SUVs. They're real-deal long haulers, built during a time when Toyota was laser-focused on reliability, simplicity, and longevity. We'll break down engine options, MPG, maintenance tips, common issues, and even red flags to watch out for when buying used. If you're someone who values low-cost ownership and high durability, this video is for you. Let's jump in. These are in smaller to larger order. Number 1, Toyota RAV4, 2001 to 2012. First up, the Toyota RAV4, specifically the second and third generations, 2001 through 2012. Don't let the compact size fool you. This thing is a long-distance champ. Engines, 2-liter and 2 of 4-liter 4-cylinders. Reliable and easy to maintain. Just be cautious of oil burning in some 2006 to 2008 2.4-liter models. The 3.5-liter V6, available 2006 to 2012. Surprisingly powerful and still very dependable. MPG, between 22 and 28 miles per gallon. Fuel, regular gas, no need for premium. DIY and parts, extremely easy to work on, tons of online tutorials. Parts are cheap and available everywhere. Real-world longevity, commonly seen with 250,000 to 300,000 miles, still running smooth. Price range, between $3,000 and $9,000, depending on mileage and condition. Mechanic friendly? Definitely. Most shops can service them and they're perfect for beginner DIY mechanics. Number 2, Toyota Highlander, 2001 to 2007 first gen. Next, the first generation Toyota Highlander. Think of it as a roomier RAV4 with a smoother ride. Engines, 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, simple and reliable. 3-liter V6, 2001-2003, avoid it due to sludge issues. 3.3-liter V6, 2004 to 2007, a much better choice with improved reliability. MPG ranges from 18 to 22 MPG. Fuel, regular unleaded. Repair and parts. Shares parts with other Toyotas. Repairs are simple. Mechanics know these inside and out. Real-world example. These are often still on the road with 300,000 plus miles, provided the timing belt and oil changes were done regularly. Price range? Expect $4,000 to $8,000 for a clean example. Number 3. Toyota FJ Cruiser, 2007 to 2014. In third place, we've got the Toyota FJ Cruiser, a retro off-roader with legendary toughness. Engine, 4-liter V6, 1 GRFE. Timing chain, durable and built for abuse. MPG between 16 and 20 MPG. Fuel, regular gas. DIY and parts, tighter engine bay but still fixable. Shares parts with 4Runner and Tacoma, so parts are easy to find. Real-world longevity, these are known to hit 300,000 plus miles, and many are still daily drivers or trail rigs. Price range, under 10K is tough but possible. Look for higher mileage or two-wheel drive models in the $9,000 to $10,000 range. Pro tip: prioritize clean title, minimal off-road abuse, and solid service history. Number 4. Toyota 4Runner. 2003-2009, 4th Gen. Now let's talk about the 4th Gen Toyota 4Runner, built from 2003 to 2009. A true body-on-frame SUV built to last. Engines: 4-liter V6, rock solid. Timing chain, low maintenance. 4.7-liter V8, silky smooth. But it's got a timing belt you'll need to replace every 90K miles. MPG, around 15 to 19 MPG, depending on engine and drivetrain. Fuel: regular gas. DIY and shop repairs. Very well supported platform. Tons of parts, easy to work on. Any mechanic can service it. Real world life. We've seen plenty of these push 400,000 miles with nothing but routine maintenance. Price range: clean ones with higher miles are available for $7,000 to $10,000. Number 5. Toyota Sequoia 2001-2007, 1st Gen. Rounding out our list is the Toyota Sequoia, a full-size SUV that shares its bones with the Tundra. Engine: 4.7-liter V8, 2UZ-FE, one of Toyota's finest. Durable, smooth, and low stress if properly maintained. MPG: 14 to 18 MPG. Fuel: regular, unleaded. Repairability and parts: surprisingly DIY friendly for a big SUV. Shared platform with the Tundra, plenty of affordable parts. Real-world example: tons of these are running strong past 350,000 miles, even with family and towing use. Price range: look to spend $4,500 to $9,500 depending on mileage and condition. Now, before you jump on the next Craigslist listing, let's talk how to shop smart so you don't end up with a lemon. Rust, especially underneath, frame, control arms, and rocker panels. Accident damage, uneven panel gaps, or overspray can be red flags. Always check the Carfax or auto check report. Service records. Look for proof of regular oil changes and timing belt service if applicable. Oil issues: burned oil smell, sludge under the oil cap, walk away. Odometer fraud: yes, it still happens. Compare mileage with wear on seats, pedals, and steering wheel. Missing title: do not buy a car without a clean, verifiable title. Run a VIN check and always complete the paperwork at the DMV. Bring a mechanic or take it to a trusted shop for a pre-purchase inspection. It's money well spent. Hi friends, just real quick. If you're getting anything helpful out of this video, even just one tip that could save you time or money, may we kindly ask you to give this video a like, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the Money Hack Life channel. It really helps the channel grow and lets us keep making videos just like this one. Practical, honest, and built to help smart shoppers like you. Drop us a comment below. Are you driving one of these Toyota Legends right now? Planning to pick one up? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much, and let's get back to the video. So, here's the bottom line. These 5 older Toyota SUVs are more than just used vehicles. They're long-term investments in reliability, simplicity, and peace of mind. They're from a time when Toyota focused on building durable, serviceable vehicles. No turbos, no CVTs, no gimmicks. And here's the good news. With the recent passing of the big, beautiful bill that reversed many government EV mandates and eased up on strict EPA restrictions, car manufacturers now have more freedom to focus on building reliable, common-sense vehicles again. That's a win for automakers and for all of us as consumers, fewer forced compromises, more freedom to choose what actually works. Until then, if you want a vehicle that'll go the distance without draining your wallet, look to these tried and true Toyotas. They've proven their worth on the road year after year. Thanks for watching Money Hack Life. Drive smart, shop wise, and we'll see you in the next one.